friends, welcome to Arivom and the Kulum channel. Most of us would have definitely enjoyed playing in rain, throwing away our umbrellas. Of course, it is an amazing experience. In today's video, we are gonna see about rains, not the usual ones, but strange ones. Weird rains are periodically reported from all corners of the globe. There have been accounts of frog rain, fish rain, squid rain, worm rain, and even alligator rain. Like what? Mind blown! Logical explanation for this odd occurrence is that a tornado or strong wind picks up the animals from a shallow body of water and carries them hundreds of miles before dropping them. But in this video, we are not going to see animal rains, but about red rains that is frequently happening in Kerala. The colored rain first fell on 25th July 2001 in the districts of Kottayam and Idukki. Some reports suggested that other colors of rain had been seen also. People reported many more occurrences of the red rain over the following 10 days, and then with diminishing frequency until late September. Red particles in suspension in the rainwater caused the coloration of the rain, and the red rain appeared at times as colored as blood. Red rainfall typically lasted less than 20 minutes. Initially, the Center for Earth Science Studies suggested an exploding meteor caused the red rain. A few days later, when the red rain continued to fall, they retracted that. Instead, they concluded that particles coloring the rainwater constituted some type of algal spore, which colored careless rains. The report noted the absence of meteoric, volcanic, or desert origin, concluding the cause of the rainwater. Nature is always incredible and mysterious. If you had seen the red rain, please share your experience with #RedRain. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.